Christmas dinner. It's the meal we all anticipate, but for many, the star of the show, the stuffed turkey, can also be the source of kitchen anxiety. Will it be dry? Will the stuffing be cooked through? Fear not, home cooks. This Christmas, we're taking the mystery out of turkey and stuffing. We'll equip you with the knowledge and confidence to create a holiday masterpiece. One common worry is undercooked stuffing. Nobody wants a plate of raw ingredients on Christmas Day. We'll address this concern with simple techniques to ensure your stuffing is cooked to perfection. Another frequent fear is a dry turkey. We've all experienced it, the disappointment of slicing into a bird that's lost its juiciness. But fear not, we have the secrets for a moist and flavorful turkey every time. Let's banish those turkey roasting fears and embrace the joy of cooking. With a bit of preparation and these easy-to-follow tips, you'll be serving up a Christmas turkey that will have everyone singing your praises. Get ready to impress your family and friends with your newfound turkey roasting prowess. Creating a perfectly stuffed turkey is easier than you think. Let's break it down into manageable steps. First, choose your stuffing. Whether you prefer a classic bread-based stuffing or something more adventurous, make sure it's made with quality ingredients. Next, prepare your turkey. Remove the giblets from the cavity and pat the bird dry with paper towels. Now for the stuffing. Loosely fill the neck cavity of the turkey. Then fold the skin over the back and secure it with a skewer. Repeat this process with the body cavity. Don't overstuff the turkey, as this can prevent even cooking. Once your turkey is stuffed, it's time to roast. Place it in a preheated oven and follow the recommended cooking times based on its weight. Remember to baste the turkey regularly with pan juices or melted butter for added moisture and flavor. The key to an unforgettable turkey lies in the flavor. Selecting the right stuffing and seasoning is crucial. For a traditional taste, a sage and onion stuffing is always a winner. Sauté onions until softened. Add crumbled sausage meat if desired, then combine with torn bread, fresh sage, and your favorite herbs. For something more adventurous, consider a cranberry and walnut stuffing with a hint of orange zest. Or try a wild rice stuffing with dried cranberries and pecans for a nutty twist. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavor combinations to find your family's favorite.